Hello, how's it going? And Halloween season is on us again, so let's go over how to draw a evil smile. I did another one of these, but this is a different version. So grab a marker, and we are going to go over how to draw an evil smile. So let's start. It should be real simple. I'm going to pull that furrowed kind of brow for the eye. Same on the other side. Pull this down. Down here. Pull a line curved like that. I'm going to draw a pupil here. Pull a line downward. This eye is going to be bigger. Draw a pupil, an iris here. Draw a line over here for the furrows of the eyes. Then I'm going to draw top lip. I'm going to make it a little wavy. Pull it down. Pull it down. Bottom line here for the bottom of the smile. And I'm going to draw sharp teeth. I'm going to throw a little bit of a gum line here with a thinner line. It almost looks like a second row of teeth, but it's actually the gum. I'm going to pull down these lines for the lower, it's going to represent the lower bottom teeth, or the lower sharp teeth. And some furrows for the top of the eye. And that's pretty much it. That's a different version of an evil smile. You can thicken this line to make it more obvious. Blacken out those sides maybe. Show the back part of the mouth. But that's an evil smile. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Click that like button. I'm going to be putting in a drawing tutorial every single day until Halloween this year. Maybe even 2 a day. I'm thinking about doing that just to really, you know what I mean? Just to have more content, just have a fun time. So let me know if you do want 2 a day, but otherwise I'll talk to you guys later.